Oh.
Oh, pleasant.
It's a French fry pocket.
What's the German name for pile of crap?
Oh my goodness, this is bad.
Here,
What?
have some French fries to take your mind off the situation.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we are going to pick up a car. It's not a car brand that I've ever owned or would ever choose to own, but we're getting a pretty sweet deal. Like the best deal you can pretty much get. It's free. But it might be a big money wasting car. At least it won't be breaking his wallet.
Too bad it wasn't that car we're picking up. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Is it?
It's the BMW.
Oh, that thing is so ugly. But it's free. Look. Look at this sweet ride. Oh, there it is. My bad.
What a unit.
This is like a teenage racer dream. Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. 535i. Well, this is it. She's free, so we're gonna drag her home. Supposedly, we might try to throw a battery in it quick, see if we can get it started, which it hasn't ran for like 3 years. They just wanted it off their property. They said, you can just have it. So supposedly all that's wrong with it is the clutch. So we're gonna drag it home and find out. I have a feeling it might be a little more, but hopefully not.
The RPMs are just stuck.
Oh, awesome. Apparently it's already running. We just can't hear it.
It's so quiet.
Look at that sweet shifter. We got racing seats.
Most it took is...
Well, racing seat. There's no interior in the back. Just quick disconnect steering wheel. This will be fun. Alright, well, she's loaded. So, coming home with us now. Hopefully we don't accidentally lose it on the way. I tell you, old minivan here seems to tow everything. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll do it the fun way. Pull that e-brake. Sometimes things just work. And there. Alright, now try her. We good?
Oh.
All right, she's in the garage. What a beauty.
What a mad steed this one is.
Oh man, I never thought I'd own a BMW.
Well, I guess you technically don't.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is his project car. So, yeah, he's the one who's gonna put all the money in it. This is all his idea. Of course, there's like mad hopes and dreams of
Oh yeah.
LS's and turbos and We'll see where this goes.
I mean, this thing just has so much potential. I mean, look at it.
We just need to knock dust off it. I think it's good. Well, I don't know if this thing's good or bad. If anybody knows anything about this motor, message me. Because I have never owned a BMW. Never wanted to, but I do. Well, we do. We do now. Like I said, this thing is... There's a wiring mess in here we'll have to figure out. I was hoping we could throw a battery in and see if we get it running, but might be a bit more than that. What a beaut. Not bad for free 99. Now, first thing we're gonna do, get a battery in this turd. Look at this mess. Sure, the gas is old and rotten. That's gonna be an issue. Let me check fluids. I'm afraid I don't know, that's one way to get it out. Man, the batteries are huge, dude.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Oh, there's handles. Didn't even notice that.
Oh, pleasant. Oh, awesome. French fries. The French fry pocket. That's where you stash your French fries back there.
What's the German name for pile of crap?
We'll have to look it up. Big's Dukin.
Big Dukin. There we go. Volkston Dukin. Or the red turd or something.
Ain't Red Rocket. Because this thing ain't going nowhere.
We need to jump it. Bet it does great.
Oh yeah, well, I wanted to jump it. I was thinking about jumping it when we were towing it home on the dolly. But I thought it says U-Haul on the side of the dolly.
We could blur it out.
Like the whole thing.
You just blur that out.
It's already gone now, but like that would have been great.
Would have been great.
Well, he's setting that battery in there. So I think. Oh,
Here,
what?
have some French fries to take your mind off the situation.
Yeah. Oh, maybe that's where that key thing goes. Yes, all here's is heater and AC controls. There's some bunch of tape. Awesome.
Arts and crafts.
Yeah. That looks a lot better. Not really. Okay, here's supposedly his little switch panel he's got hooked up here. He's got some sort of ignition key here. I'm gonna look through this nonsense.
I don't think that...
Alright, this is what we got so far. We got this crazy switch I need to mount here. Quite certain these are all stereo speaker wires. I think the wires to start it are connected. Not really sure what that one is down there. Looks very poorly put together. And I don't know what this is. We need to mount this thing. And then we'll connect the battery, see what happens. See if we can start a fire. Have the fire extinguisher close. Alright. Okay. Alright, connect the battery. Whoa. Ooh. Stuff's happening. Doors are trying to lock. This awesome key here. Ooh, look at there. Lights are on.
What's the middle finger do? Let me check, see if there's a light that comes on. Can we flip people on?
Hey, fan works. See any lights or anything?
Nope.
Whoa,
What was that?
we just blew a fuse or something.
I don't see anything smoking. Which one was it? The circle?
No, the alien. Yeah, I think we blew a fuse. Awesome.
Blackish.
Hey, it's got oil in it though.
It's got flavor. It's like soy sauce.
Crap. I don't see any fuses.
Oh, There
What?
was. Here, let me.
Was there fuses in the back?
Yeah, this is funky looking box. Those might be just relays, but
Oh, in the back over here?
yeah, by the battery.
Those might be it.
Alright, let's see what happens now. Cranks! Woo! Thinks drain the gas, get some fresh stuff. Is it the alien light that cranks you?
Yeah.
Does the RPMs move at all or no? Yeah, once you get above where it's stuck. Even with old gas in it. Woo! There's no
Well, I mean, it's a little bit of a wiring nightmare, but got her fired up, dude. Yeah. Yeah, it won't go into gear though. Not while running. Hear this?
She won't?
Nah, the clutch feels weird, like it's way out of adjustment or it's completely smoked or something. There's not even any funny sounds or nothing. Oh yeah. Well, runs. Alright, we gotta shut off. Man, this thing stinks, dude. Oh man, it's bad. Okay. Oh, what a riot. Alright, so I'm gonna shut it off here, I guess. Oh, that sounded wonderful. I don't know what that clunky was. Well, now that we know that it runs, we gotta figure out why it doesn't move. One problem solved, but on to the next. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video because we gotta figure out why this thing isn't moving. It's running, which is exciting. For sitting for 3 years, and man, when we pulled it in here, you could smell the old gas in it, like it was that bad. So I'm really surprised it fired up. I'm glad it's not a huge, crazy wiring, well, worse of a wiring mess than it is, but anyway. Stick around if you want to see more of this, because we're going to figure out why this car isn't moving and also fix that problem. Then we're going to go, there's probably going to be some shenanigans involved with this car. Because, I mean, after all, we got it for free $99. There's going to be some fun had with this thing, so stick around, guys.